Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to hide the hole here by using panel. So here I'm using kitchen cabinet. So I have a drawer, but I can see through the back of my drawer. Okay, how to cover up the hole. So first we click to one drawer. Okay, I try to hide one drawer first. Okay. Just click to your drawer and then you press H to hide. Okay, and then you can click to your drawer just now, the carcass. Right click, add function part. Okay, to put the plate, to put the panel, we go to plate type. I'm using 80mm basic function part. Okay, you scroll down until you see filler. This one, filler. So okay, you can just drag and drop filler to your cabinet. Alright. And then to show back your drawer, go to display, material management, and then you show back. So you won't see anything from outside. Now it is filled by filler. You can adjust the filler size by clicking on the filler, and then you can adjust. And then to copy the filler, you can just Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and you copy to the left or right side. Just normal one lah. Okay, or you can just do manually by pressing H, right click, add function part, and put filler. Same goes to this one. Sorry. Okay, so that is how you hide your hole by using filler. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.